Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share unboxing of my card kit that is for October. Little late, I'm sorry, and I already have November's Die Hard kit, so I'll be posting that video here shortly as well. But for our club kit for October last month, I'll leave the Die Hard for October here if you did not get to see that video. But these are the things. Sorry for the glare. I'm going to just put this off to the side and open them up and take the packaging off so the glare. So we did receive this sentiment with this stamp. The stamp sentiment. There you go. This is your day to sparkle, and it's the little things that matter so much. And then so cute, those two little snowmen. And I believe, yes we did, we got a die that will cut out those cute little snowmen. Sorry for the crinkling, but there's the die. And there's the stamp. That's what I meant. The die will cut out the snowman stamps, not the sentiments. Sorry. We also received these cute little stockings. And we got a package of these. They're in various colors. So this mint color, this pink color. Is there a different? And then there's a maybe that's it. Just the mint. Oh, and maybe that's a different color, this darker one. I'm not sure. But these are the felt embellishments we received in this month's kit. And then we got 2 spools of ribbon that coordinate with everything you see in the kit. And that's the ribbon. And then they also have a referral program. So if you are interested in taking a look at their club and joining maybe for a month or 2, make sure you let them know I referred you. I would appreciate it. And then we also got these puff balls in the same colors to match everything. We've got these. These are beautiful enamel dots. They have a little glitter in them. I don't think the camera is picking up the gold glitter. Maybe in the pink ones you can see it. And the blue. But they're in all of them. And then we also got this die sentiment that says, "Let it snow." And there it is. It says, "Let it snow." And then we got these inspiration cards to give you ideas or get your creative juices flowing. We get a 6x6 double-sided paper pad. The light is bright, so it might be washing it out. Let me see if that helps. Okay, let's start Aloha. Love all the patterns, so festive. I like that it's not traditional. And then the back side. And then we have the die cuts to cut these guys out from the Die Hard Club kit. So that's the paper pad. You always get envelopes. Oh, I cut all my cardstock up already. I cut all my cardstock down. But you get about 12 sheets of cardstock in the kit. You also get this envelope to hold all of your kit in one handy dandy space. And this is the Die Hard Club that we got. This and this. There's the stamp set. And like I said, I will link that. I will leave the link in the description box below for the unboxing of this. But I also got a free set of this. This is like Snowdrift and Snows, and then the word joy. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Stay tuned for some winter and Christmas cards coming up. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you. If you're new, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel and following me on my crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!